Alright, so today I'm going to be putting the Performance Pack wing on my GT. We've got the little blade spoiler. I ordered this one off of eBay, already painted. It's just a takeoff of, I guess, a wrecked one or something. But it's in really good condition and everything. I'm just going to reuse that same deck lid piece right here. I'm not going to replace that, just going to pull that off and pop the other one on. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. You've got these 7mm and the 10mm on both sides, and then you got to pop this whole panel here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Alright, and then there is 10mm in these holes here. There's one there and one here, and then one in the middle, and then the two on the other side. And I still hadn't removed these 10mm because I was just waiting to get all of them exposed. You'll have to pop this little rubber piece off. Now it's off. Now we gotta take the camera out. Looks like it's got a few torque screws holding it on, and transfer these bolts over to the new deck lid piece. Alright, so after looking at it a little more, instead of just removing these, I think it'd be easier if I just go ahead and remove this whole black panel in here and just replace it into the new one. Because it looks like it's just held on by these little T15s all the way on it, and the bolts already line up, I know, on the car. There's one there, and then the camera is inside this black piece, I'm pretty sure. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull that off. Not bad, needs to be cleaned a little bit still, which I'm gonna wash the car. But not bad. The paint matches like super good. Like you'd think this thing came from factory with the spoiler. Let's see what it looks like from back here. Oh yeah. That's much better. Yep. Alright guys, I'm gonna have another video up. I don't know if it's coming out before this one or not, but I did an H-pipe on my car. Go check that out. I'm not gonna start it up right now because it's kind of early and it is kind of loud and it'll just echo into the garage, but I'll have a separate video for that. So if you want to go check that out, check out my channel. And I got a few videos with my previous car, the Camaro, if you want to check those out if you haven't seen that. But yeah, thank God for watching.